Hey, what's going on, guys? And today I'm showing off one of my best art investments I've ever made. Check it out. Right back there. I got a new printer. And over here I have the program called Professional Print Layout, and it's by Canon. And this is where I lay out the pages. Now's a good time to tell you that if you like the video and the channel, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or would like to suggest something new. That I had gotten a few months back, and it's called Carl. This particular model that I got is the DC-250, and it's 25 inches. Unlike some of the other paper cutters that I've bought, this was one of the few that I saw that came at a 25 inch. Versus normally, like, say if you bought from Rototrim I believe does like a 24-inch version. A lot of companies do 24 inches, but this one did 25, which I thought was interesting. And I also thought it was interesting that you have these different, it was getting in the way. You've got these different sizes, you know, like let's go really close so you can see it. You have like a letter, photo, legal, letter. If you're doing like either landscape or portrait, you've got the different sizes, photo. So I thought that was a pretty cool touch. So it comes with, let's open this up. These I bought extra since I just now have my printer. But it came with an extra blade. One's already installed, and it comes with a perforated one as well. So you can do something like, I'm pretty sure that one's perforated and not scoring. So that's pretty cool. A little compartment. It also comes with an extra mat, a cutting mat, and I'll show you where that is on the other side. Let's try and close this. That cutting mat is over here, is where it just sits right in there. So I'm going to cut some paper, and that way I can give you a review basically of this product. So as I cut this paper, I will be giving you a review of what I think about Carl. So first I just want to state reasons why I bought this cutter specifically. I know when you look up rotary trimmers, one of the top ones that come up is Rototrim, and it seems like a really great product, and I'm sure it is. However, their 24-inch was $300, and this Carl was only $150 for 25 inches. So that's reason number one why I bought this product. Reason number two, also, what you might want to consider is going to Melissa Falconer's YouTube and checking out her video of when she tested out the Rototrim Pro, because she used that on her canvases, and after like a few cuts, she was having issues cutting her paper. That being said, I have used this so far to, trim the edges off my prints, cut them in half, whatever, and so far it's been good. Now, I can't say what kind of paper Melissa Falconer was using, but I will state mine. The paper that I'm currently cutting from is a Canon Fine Art natural white paper. It's matte and it's 230 GSM. The other paper that I bought was a Canon Fine Art Enhanced Velvet paper, and that one's 225 GSM. So right now I'm cutting like the thickest paper that I have, and so far it's been well. I'm assuming, you know, I know Melissa Falconer, she's using a canvas paper, but I can't imagine it being too thick or much thicker than the one that I'm currently cutting from right now. I highly recommend getting the Carl DC-250 25 inch. It cuts really well. It feels like butter. You know, the metal plate, it holds the paper down really well so it doesn't move anywhere, and I absolutely loved it. There was a slight learning curve to know exactly where to place my paper so I could line it up correctly, because you can't exactly see where you're cutting per se. I wish there was like a little bit more of a guide to know where you're cutting, but eventually I did figure out that, you know, as long as I had that edge, you know, right up where the blade would cut, I pretty much got it, you know, down perfectly. Anyway, that's the end of this video. I hope you like it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and like the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.